Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we will guide you through how to claim Discord Nitro without credit card. So let's get started. Firstly, go to the Discord website in your any web browser and simply log into your account. After you log into your account, you will get to see Nitro option available there on left hand slide bar. After you tap on it, you will get to see subscription option available there. There are two Nitro subscription option available there. Simply tap on the subscribe option available. So after you tap on the subscribe option, you will get to see various payment method to subscribe, whether it's a credit card, PayPal account or another accepted payment method. You can see that. So however, some users might look for alternative methods to claim Nitro without using a credit card. So without credit card also you can buy the Nitro subscription as in from PayPal or any accepted payment method. So it's important to note that attempting to bypass legitimate payment methods can lead to violations of Discord's terms of service and potentially result in account suspension or other penalties. So remember to always prioritize your account security and only obtain Nitro subscriptions through legitimate and authorized methods shown in Discords. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you for watching.